Hey everybody, this is Jim at SP500chart.com. It's about 5:30 on Monday afternoon, September 15th, and we're going to take a quick look at the chart. Really nothing much changed today, but I try to do a video every day. This is not going to be anything groundbreaking by any stretch. But before we get into it, let me remind you that the website and the video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in the video is intended to be used as investment advice. I can draw lines on charts, but you have to draw your own conclusions from your own research and make investment decisions that are suitable for your personal financial situation. I am not a licensed financial professional. I'm just a guy who draws lines on charts. So let's take a look. I think you know what I'm going to say. We're still in this little descending channel that if we break out of this to the upside, then this would probably be looked at in retrospect as a bull flag. But guys, we're essentially flat for the day, having bounced on this bottom line, but not yet reached the top line. It seems like I've been saying this a lot lately, but I think it's just that simple. We ran up nicely from about 1904, 1905 to over 2000. It only makes sense to take a breather. And I believe that's what this is. This is not the kind of rather tumultuous downturn we had when we went from 1990 down to 1905 within just a few weeks. This is a lazy kind of a pullback, if you will, and I believe the net result of it will be that at some point in time we look back at this and we say, yep, another inverted head and shoulders pattern. That's my hunch. The hunch is not borne out, however, until the pattern completes and we break this neckline. So guys, for right now, it's just that simple. We're in this little descending channel. As soon as this top line breaks, then I believe that will be the significant trigger event that will send us back up to test this resistance line somewhere probably around 2012 to 2015. It all depends upon when we get there, because it is upsloping. So there you have it. If you want something to hang your bullish hat on, all I can say is we bounced at this same support level today. Maybe the hint of a little small bottoming pattern here, but you know what's got to happen is this line's got to get taken out. Once this line is taken out, I think it's a pretty good sign that we're headed back up to test our neckline. And if we break through that neckline, then I think it's a pretty safe bet that this inverted head and shoulders pattern will do what they have all done for the last 5.5 years, and that is meet their target. And I have to say that until one doesn't, because so far they all have. They say insanity is doing the same thing, expecting a different result. You could also say insanity is doing the same thing and not expecting the same result. So, what do I mean by that? Well, if you make the same mistake over and over again and you get the same negative outcome, that's insane. But likewise, if you have the setup over and over again and it pays off and you have it again and you ignore it, I think that's just another brand of insanity. So guys, let's see what happens throughout the rest of this week. See what happens tomorrow. I remain hopeful that we will break out of this little descending channel, that this will prove to, at some point, hopefully soon, that this will prove to be a bull flag off of that nice run up, and that we will come back and attack this resistance line once again and hopefully break through it and then start getting into some uncharted territory where things get interesting quite often. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for your support, and let's see what the rest of this week brings us. Take care.